This is our egg breaking facility in Elmira, Ontario, where we receive farm fresh eggs from farms across Ontario and Canada. This facility produces liquid egg products that are used by other companies in the preparation of salad dressings, sauces, and baked goods that you'd find in stores across Canada. When we receive the eggs from the grading stations, we store them in a temperature-controlled cooler before they're moved to our state-of-the-art breakers, where we extract the liquid before they're pasteurized and packaged to be sold to customers. Pasteurization is a process of taking the liquid egg and running it at a very specific temperature to ensure that it's clean and safe to eat. After being loaded onto the breaking machines, the shell eggs are washed with brushes and high-pressured water to ensure that there's no chance of contamination getting into the liquid after the eggs are broken. Candling involves running the eggs over LED lights, which allows us to see inside the shell eggs before they're broken so that we can remove any eggs that do not meet our quality standards. Our state-of-the-art automated breaking machines take all of the shell eggs, break them into cups, which will then separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Depending on which products we'll be producing that day, the yolks and the whites will either be combined or kept separate. After packaging, all of our egg products are stored in coolers at 4 degrees Celsius or lower, where they're then held to be shipped either the same day or 1 or 2 days later. We have several safety measures in place to ensure that all of our products are safe for consumption. From washing and candling of the shell eggs to pasteurization of the liquid, we have a very specific HACCP guideline, and we also follow SQF and Canadian Food Inspection Agency regulations.